Jai Hind students, welcome to Science Study Center, and this is the simple problem 4 of force and law of motion. Now, the simple problem 4 is a diagram question. So, this is the diagram. Okay, and what is said in the question is the speed time graph of a car is given alongside the car weight 1000 kg. Means the speed time. The speed time graph of a car is given alongside the car weight 1000 kg. Means the mass of the car is 1000 kg first of all. Okay, now what we have to tell is what is the distance traveled by the car in first 2 seconds. Okay, so just have a look over here. Yeah, so this is the 2-second part. So in this moment of time, wait, in this moment of time, what uh, uh, what distance the car has traveled. Now to take it out, what we have to do is just have a look over here. We will first calculate the distance traveled in the first 2 seconds. Okay, so in first 2 seconds, what is the distance traveled? From the given graph, we find that distance traveled in first 2 seconds are underline AB. Okay, now and the time exists, area of triangle AB2. AB2, as I told over here, area of triangle AB2. Now, so the area of triangle would be half into base into height, which will tell us 2 into 15. Now, see students, half into base is 2 centimeter long, 2 centimeter, and the height is, wait, the height over here is 15. Okay, so 15. So, it would be nothing but, wait, yeah, nothing but half into 2 into 15. Okay, now it would give us 15 as an answer. 15 meter per second square. Okay, now, so the answer would be 15 meters. The distance traveled is 15 meters. Now the second part. The second part says, what is the braking force applied at the end of 5 seconds to bring the car to stop within 1 second? Okay. Now over here, can you see in the graph that first at position C, at position C, over here there is C, and in just 1 second of time it is stopped. The car stopped. So they are asking about this. Okay, so what we have to do, force into mass into acceleration. The formula is F into M into A. Okay, now the mass of a car is given as 1000 kg, but the acceleration in the last 1 second from point C to point D is to be obtained from the graph shown above. Okay, so from here we have to find out. We know that the acceleration is given by the slope of speed time graph. So acceleration in last 1 second is slope of line CD. So now what we have to do is see, in just 1 second is the time. Okay, so acceleration would be this 15 upon 1, as the height is 15 and the say time is just 1. Okay, now the next is what is going to happen is we got 15 meter per second square. Okay, if we look at the above given graph, we will find that the speed of the car is decreasing from point C, okay, to point D. This is acceleration from C to D is negative, and hence it should be written with a minus sign. Okay, so it is going to be written as minus 15. Okay, minus 15 m per second square. Now putting m and a in the formula of 1, we will get what we will get. Force equals to, wait, 1000, wait, 1000 into minus 15. Wait, beta, the screen is small. Yeah, it is 4. It is force into, the car was 1000 kg, so it is 1000 into minus 15. And what we are going to get is, as there is minus sign, so we would get first 15,000 and then minus. So 15,000 m, sorry, this is not the thing, it would be n. Okay, so this is the answer, this is the force. Now this was, if you understood the sample problem 4, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.